fresh battery in this bad boy. Kind of interesting vehicle right here. 2019 Ram 1500. All the bells and whistles this bad boy. How much those wheels cost?
Retail, they're $18,500.
Jesus. Whew.
These are not the right tires either.
I know, it still looks cool. Labor of love here, my friend. Nice. Way to go, man.
We had the same spot last year. So
It's a better obsession instead of drugs. Let's put it that way. I've always said. I'd rather be obsessed with this instead of that. Keep the good work, my friend. Nice job. Very nice. Goodness. Nice. That's cool. That's one hell of a nice vehicle. But, that's the beauty of this show, man. You see all kinds of fun stuff like that. You got a bunch back in there, but. Got a few back in there. It's a cool F-150. I like that one. See, it's cool. You can tell, like,
And they're active.
what they do with it.
It's like they're driving around like the after.
The engine.
Kind of like they're
that probably helps with it.
Next neighbor has a Cuda, blue one. I'm shocked he doesn't bring it here. Beautiful vehicle. I think it's a 73 or something. Nice. Very nice. Next neighbor's got I think a 73. My next neighbor, I think he's got a 73 or it's the blue one. Really nice. How long have you had it?
20 years.
How long?
20.
Nice. Yeah, it's cool. Great place to bring the family. Beauty before anybody else. The old cruise on by. 18.5 you want for that bag. 651-353-0174. I'm gonna pass this one by. I apologize. My word. Nice. If you ever stolen, it's in my yard. If it's missing, it's in my garage. Nice. Keep up the good work, my friend. You look good. Love it. 427. Hell yeah, man. Hell yeah, good for him. Enjoying his retiree. Nice. There's that one young man on YouTube. He loves 59 Rancheros. Look him up. I can't remember the name of the show is, but it's really good. Him and his dad. Cool. I don't know what year this one is. Let's see if it's a 59 Ranchero. Let's see. No, it's the El Camino, but still. This kid loved the Ranchero. It's a great channel. I've seen a few of it. It's hilarious. Nice. Love these vehicles. Some people don't, but I think they're cool as hell. That's a nice vehicle, Malibu. Put the top down, bro. There's a bunch that have kind of been missing, but there's so many here. You try to get as many as you can.
Okay, go ahead.
I did like the other one. The old Jeep Rubicon. Yeah, I could bring my PT Cruiser, and there's a 65 Chevy. I could bring my fag car and show it off if I wanted to. That's a nice vehicle over that one right over there. That's nice. That's a nice one over there. Beautiful vehicle. Oh, what's in that? Ooh, look at that one. Nice. Nice show. Now look at that bad boy. Oh yeah.
So you lost.
Cardiac, nice. California. Beautiful vehicle. Oh my God, look at this. Chevette. Nice. Classic. Love it. Very nice, I love it. That was Dylan's first car.
This has to be an old.
Very nice. Like this one, it's cool. Been around, man.
All right, here comes Pro 3, guys.
Nice. Oh, I like this wagon over here. Love the old Oldsmobile wagons. They're really cool.
Oh yeah. You're gonna punch you right up on the corner there.
Classic.
A lot of these vehicles have been on the Hot Rod Power Tour.
The old family truckster.
Huh?
The old family truckster. Love the old Oldsmobile. I love to have my own station wagon Hall of Fame. Like have a whole bunch.
Yeah, I know.
It'd be so cool to have it. I think they're just classic.
I love them, man. I love these.
Yep.
Especially I love the two-door wagons.
Yep. 1970 Oldsmobile.
Oldsmobile.
You don't see these around anymore. That's classic. And SS Seville. That would be a 67 Impala. Impala SS. Now we'll move. Still there. That's a cool truck right over there. Ralph's Garage, man, established 1953. Hell yeah. Very nice. I love that. Yep. This sits here for the state fair all the time. This is like it sits here. It's always here. Sits out front. Classic. Big boy. It's always here. Look at that. KQ92, that's where their booth is at. 1966 Chevelle. Look at that bad boy. Oh, Malibu's. Goodness. Love it. Super Sport. Goodness. interior in there. Like I said, just kind of keep walking around. Something catches my eye, you walk over and look at it. A lot of Malibus owned by Horsepower, vintage car, Dakota digital dashboard. Nice. Nice. Classic. Bigger Malibus for sale. Love the motor, 454. That thing's gonna suck gas, but who cares? Nice. For sale. 25 grand. Nice. Nice. Classic. Is yours?
It is.
Very nice.
Thank you very much.
What year is it?
66.
I had a 65 Chevy Impala, and I had the whenever I see they have the extra water stuff, the extra stuff, windshield wiper stuff on here, the bottle.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
When you see it at Impalas or any some of the olds, they'll have that extra bottle right here.
Is it a glass bottle?
Yeah, glass bottle. That's
yeah.
you see it very rarely. Mine had it until the day I sold it, but
Yeah.
the original bottle, it's classic.
That is classic.
Yeah.
That's my first car. I got it when I was 16.
You're an animal. I bought my 65 Chevy Impala. All right, you guys, end it here.